This side from iSolutions Technologies Private Limited. We have introduced this HD interactive flat panel for new technology. The word technology and its uses have immensely changed till 20th century. With that, continue to evolve. Since we are living in the world of driven by technology, we introduced this system. So I'm going to start that. So the main thing about this is we have two technologies in this one panel. One is Android and one is Windows. So you can use both at the time. So here is our brand iSolutions Technologies Private Limited. And it is a hot selling product now we have. Apart from that, it is very easy to use instead of chalk and boards. So it is a new way for students to learn up the new skills and new things to enhance their skills. So this is a display of our board, and in this we have this 4 systems. Our basic is whiteboard, where students can learn new things. Okay, so this is our whiteboard. Here we have a lot of features. First is our pen. Okay, so apart from this we also have this pen. If you don't want to type with your hands, you can use this as well. You can type anything with the help of this. And it has 20 finger technology. You can use 20 fingers at the time. I'm using 10 because I don't have 20 fingers. Okay, so you can clear it all by this clean all system, and if you don't want to clear it all, you can use only eraser to clear the one segment only. Apart from that, we have ruler, different kind of ruler. You can use it because this product is very friendly with students, so you can use it. You can extend the ruler as per your need, like that. And if you want to clear it up, simply there is a mark X, you can click on that and it will be vanished. Apart from that, we have shapes. There are different shapes we have. We have two kind of shapes. One is 2D and one is 3D. In 2D we have this. You can draw any shape without any hazel, because if you draw with your pen, it is possible that it might be faint, but it is not. Apart from this, in shapes we have 3D as well. 3D shapes you can also use to explain anything, especially for maths. Apart from that, we have table as well. You can use table if you want. And sticky notes. Basically, sticky notes are the notes basically used for any kind of reminder. If you want for a next day, or for after half an hour break, you want to teach something, and it is very possible because it is in human nature that you can forget few things. So you can make a notes there, and this note will be always there. So you can easily remember what you have to gonna do next. It is very easy. Apart from that, we have preview. If you want to move to the previous slide, you can do with the help of this. Also, we have add-on system. With this, you can add new pages. So there is no limit. You can extend as much as you can. Okay. So apart from this, we have a menu. In menu, we have different kind of things. You can save things by this. If you want to save this page, you can save in your file. And we have इसको एडिट कर लेना, मैं यहाँ से वापस स्टार्ट कर दूँ. Here we have a menu button. We have so many features there. If you want to start new page, so we have this feature. If you want to open a file, if you want to save anything, you want to save this page, or you want to extend this page, you can do. Save as if you want to make any name of this file. We have import or export thing also. You can import it in PDF, export in PDF, image, whatever you want. we have send email. You can change the theme as well, whatever you want to change. There are multiple themes you want to change. That's all we have in this whiteboard system. Apart from that, we also have this PC system. Okay, so here we have learned about the board. Now we can exit it from here, and we have this point where we have all these things. You can go back to the home by this button. If you want to move to the next slide, we have all the history here like Android, and apart from that we have more system. If you want to select a timer, you can. If you want to record the session, you can record it and use it in your next session. There are many options. You can screenshot it. You can split the screen like that. If you want to split the screen in half and half, because it is a very big panel, so you can do that as well. So there are many things for that. Apart from this, if I talk about PC, we have PC here, Android and PC. As I have already mentioned in beginning of video, this is PC. If you want to move your Android towards window, you can do that very easily. It is very easy to use. It is very smooth.